Welcome to All About Pins. Whether you need custom pins for your brand, event, school, club, organization, or merch shop, we're here to help you every step of the way. With these 3 easy steps, you can turn your custom pin idea into a reality. It all starts with you sending us your idea. You can send us your logo, artwork, or sketch. And if you don't have finished artwork, our team can help clean up your idea and turn it into a custom pin design. You'll start off with the size of your pin. Simple logos usually work well on smaller pins, while text, mascots, or characters are more suited for larger pins. Then you will choose the style of your pin you would like. Soft enamel pins are great for events, merch, and giveaways. Hard enamel pins are perfect for retail products, corporate gifts, and brand merch. And die-struck pins are ideal for corporate brands, employee awards, and military emblems. After that, you'll get to choose the metal platings for your pins. High-polished gold and silver is the most popular option. Antique plating is essential for die-struck pins, and black metal can make your design feel bold. Finally, you'll pick what kind of pin backing you would like. Rubber clutches are comfortable and easy to use, butterfly clutches are traditional and secure, and magnetic backings are great if you want to prevent puncturing fabric. Once you send us your idea, we will send a free digital proof within 24 hours with unlimited revisions. Then, when you are happy with the design, you will approve it and we will move it forward to production. In 1 to 3 weeks, you'll have your pins delivered to your doorstep. At All About Pins, real people are here to make your custom pin idea into a reality, with free design help, fast production, and free shipping. We make creating custom pins easy and stress-free. Start your custom pin project today. It's free and our team is here to help.